What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. My name is Wommack. I hope you had a great Christmas time and are ready for the new year. Now today we want to be taking a look at this look right here. It's a Lil Yachty look, and he posted this on his Instagram story I think yesterday, and since then you guys have been requesting about this look, asking me to recreate it. So I got right to work and I figured out not only how to recreate the color look in the free Lightroom app, but also how to create that double exposure, double layer look that he does on this picture. And today I want to show you how to do that using, as I said, the free Lightroom app, but also the free Over app. And of course, I've also created a preset on exactly this look on my website. The link is under this video. If you want to save some time, it's in the all presets pack with over 100 presets, 150 presets now actually, because the cool thing about this all presets pack is that every time I create new presets on this channel right here, they're automatically updated to your all presets pack. So you just have to buy it once and you get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal, so make sure to check that out. Link is under this video. And of course, if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm really happy to hear from you guys, see your results, but also get new ideas for new videos, so feel free to do that. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, said enough, let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open our picture in the free Lightroom app and recreate that color look. So we open the picture in the Lightroom app right here. Now I've chosen this picture because it comes super close to that setting, and then we want to go to curve on the upper right side, and for the red circle right here, I want you to recreate this curve as it is right here. So just pull up the shadows on the bottom left side and then pull over the highlights on the upper right side to the left a little bit, and then we go to the green circle here. I want you to recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. Maybe take a screenshot and come as close as you can. And then the blue circle right here, this curve, just a little bow hanging to the bottom right side a little bit. And once you have these as they are here, we are done. Now your picture should go from something like this to something like this, more that kind of red look. And then we want to just pull down the exposure a little bit to negative 0.42 right here. Pull down the contrast to negative 28. And pull down the highlights to negative 35 right there, and the shadows down to negative 28 right here. And then we're done with the light. We go over to the color, and here I just want you to boost up the temperature a little bit to around plus 15. The tint we want to boost up to plus 20 in this case, and the saturation we want to pull down all the way to negative 67 right here. Then we scroll up, go to color mix on the upper right side. For the red tones, we don't want to change anything, but for the orange tones here, we want to boost up the hue to plus 19, boost up the saturation to plus 37. Now the yellow tones, we just want to boost up the hue a little bit to around plus 58 right here, and then we're done with the color mix. Now we want to take a look at the grading tab here. For the shadows, we want to boost the hue to around 25 and the saturation up all the way to 97 in this case. The midtones hue up to around 15 or 14 there, and the saturation up to 47 here. The highlights, we want to boost up the hue to 36 right there, and the saturation all the way up to 100 to really get that orange red tone in there. Then we're done here, and now the last thing we want to do is just in the effects, go crazy on the grain here, really boost that up to all the way up to 79 or 81 right there, and then we are done right here. Now we're done here. Here's a little before and after, and this is the first part of this video. So we recreated the colors. Keep in mind, I've also created a preset on exactly this look on my website. Link is under this video in the all presets pack. If you have that already, it's updated right now. And now we're moving over to step 2 of the video, how to create that faded look with this one right here. So what we want to do now is open the picture that we have just created in the free Over app. So now we open the Over app here, go to that plus, that black plus down there, go to image on the upper left side, and now we just want to choose this image right here that we've just edited. Hit the check mark on the upper right side. Now we hit image on the bottom left, and now we choose the exact same picture again, and now we can see it's laid on top of this one right here. Make sure to kind of fit it in, and then down here we want to scroll over to where it says opacity, and now pull that down to where you like the effect. I think at 50% it comes through perfectly, and now you can just move that top layer around, as you can see here, to create that fade effect. But I want to really only slightly move it to the side, maybe something like this right here. Right there is perfect. And then I hit the check mark on the upper right side and export it again on the upper right side. Hit save on the bottom left, and we're done. And now this is the final result. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this Lil Yachty inspired look, the one he posted on his Instagram story yesterday. For all of you who requested this look, let me know what you think about this. I hope this was satisfying for you guys. I hope you like the result. I really love it. Thanks so much for inspiring me once again. And of course, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to kind of save some time, feel free to download it. Link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that I created for you guys to really quickly change the look of your pictures and have fun with that. And the cool thing about this pack is that every time I create new presets, they're automatically added to that pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets every time I do a new video. Now, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on the next video. And if you have any new ideas for me, for new videos, new inspiration, questions, anything, feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle. I'm always happy to hear from you guys. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.